Hi, today we're going to learn more about how you can set up loyalty program rules and rewards. To set up the loyalty program rules and rewards, first log into AI Trillion and then in the left-hand side navigation bar, go to Module Settings, and in the Module Settings option, ensure that loyalty rewards is turned on. You can also go to the loyalty rewards directly, go to the dashboard, and once on the dashboard, turn the app on. So once you turn it on from here, you will notice that it turns on in the module settings as well. Now, in the loyalty reward section, you need to go to activity rules. And these are all the rules, these are all the options that we offer for you to be able to give loyalty points to your customer. If you are enabling a rule for the first time, you'll probably be clicking create rule. If it's something you have disabled and you're going to enable, you'll see click to enable. And if it's something that's already running, you'll see click to disable. So let's say for a follow on Twitter, you can edit these, these information messages. Do not edit the shortcodes. The shortcodes are the one in double curly brackets. Do not edit these because these will be bringing in information from the AI Trillion system for the customer. Say follow on Twitter, instead of follow on Twitter, you can say, let's say, follow us or follow your business name. Let's say follow AI Trillion on Twitter and earn so many points by following, again, let's say AI Trillion on Twitter. You need to put in your Twitter username and then a total number of points that you would like to give for following on Twitter. Let's say I want to give 15 points. Once done, click save. And as soon as you click save, you will see that it says setting has been saved successfully. The rule for follow on Twitter has been enabled. It has never been triggered and no points have been given, of course, because we just set it up. Now, if it's a rule that you had set up previously and you basically want to enable again, you can click on click to enable, or else you can click on edit rule to first edit the rule, ensure that it has all your settings that you want. So these are the settings. Let's say I want to reduce the points to 10 points for following on Instagram. Setting has been saved successfully, and then I can enable or disable by clicking on the big button here. We have multiple options. You can choose to enable all of them. You can choose to enable one of them. You can choose to enable basically none of them if you do not want the loyalty system to work or currently you're just testing. We would recommend that configure all of them because it gives a wide variety of options to your customers to use. Any rule can be enabled or disabled at any time. You can, for example, if you notice that, let's say, order on X orders get Y points. So you can, this rule basically means that if the person has made 3 purchases and has a minimum $50 purchase on every, minimum $50 expense on every purchase, they get, let's say, 300 points. So the order heading is on X orders get Y points. You can change it to whatever you like, update, and that's yet another option. The error message, of course, said that I did not leave a heading. So basically, if I edit rule there and say test heading, and then I say I want to give, let's say, 250 points. Basically, then it will allow me to save the settings successfully. Now, you can choose follow on Facebook, follow Instagram. Let's say you do not have a, let's say, for example, a Twitter account. You can just, if you're using it for the first time, just don't enable this. If you have enabled Twitter, you deleted your account, don't want to offer Twitter to customers anymore, just disable it. Like, for example, you notice Pinterest is disabled because, let's say, we don't have a Pinterest account. That is how you set up activity rules for AI Trillion. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.